3 things people get wrong when delivering training and doing public speaking. Number 1, they don't prepare and they don't practice. Listen, trainers, public speakers, you are not coming up with the cure for climate change. You do not need to hide your content and keep it all to yourself. Share it with someone who can critique it and help it improve. Run your content by someone else. Number 2, they make it boring. You're so focused on the content that you forget about the people. How they feel and what they experience is just as important as what you're sharing with them. So please put some fun, engaging and dynamism into whatever you're talking about. Number 3, you make it all about you. Your nerves, your fears, your worries. When you go to a restaurant, the best experiences are with the waiters and waitresses that are most focused on serving you. So serve your audience.